What's up, guys? We're in quarantine. It is day, I don't know, what day is it? I think it's day 4, 7, I don't know. But we're here in New York. Let us know in the comments where you're at right now, what you're doing or eating, actually. So we today are going to show you guys how we make our favorite quarantine snack,
which is fried Oreos.
Fried Oreos. It is easy, it's delicious, we can't live without it.
You just need 4 ingredients. Right?
Yeah, literally. So pancakes, Oreos, milk,
and oil.
Oil. Boom, bam, bada boom, bada bam.
Very simple.
You may be asking, why are we outside? Well, we're outside because in the house it's a lot of family members, so it's noisy. So we actually have a grill here and the little stove on the side. We are Babe, I'm hungry. And now we're hungry for some fried Oreos. Yeah. So stay tuned.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
So first step, we're gonna pour the pancake batter into the bowl. We usually do it on Jemima, but sold out.
So we were grabbing toilet paper and grabbing pancake mix, and
sold out. So this is the last resort.
And now it's time to pour the milk. Babe is gonna wick it. He's like the pro at making pancakes. The pro at making pancakes. So now we have our Oreos. Now that we have a pancake mix, we are going to add our Oreos inside. You don't have to touch the Oreo. We're going to dip it like this. We're going to add like, I don't know, I'll say like, we're not good with measurements.
That should be good.
I think that's good. That's fine.
Because you want to deep fry the Oreos.
Make sure you have parents with you, kids.
Yes.
So you flip it. You see it's fast because we let the oil sit for a while, so that's why it's.
I think those are good. But you want to make sure the oil is heated up before you put the Oreos in, because you don't want the Oreos to soak up and get moist and break apart.
And now we always have a plate with the napkin on top, so it can soak up all the oil.
Yeah.
I think that smells good.
Oh, those look so good.
So we're gonna go in with more.
All right. After you take the Oreos out, you want to get these little burnt crumbs.
Alright, so now we're just going to finish doing the rest of the Oreos. So I'm dipping them. James is taking them out. I'm dipping them in the oil.
We should open up our own sweet shop.
We should. Look at this. So yeah, guys, definitely let us know what's your favorite quarantine snack.
We should make them ourselves.
Who would buy our Oreos, our fried Oreos? Let us know. Little pieces that fell. We're building our own Oreo because nothing can go to waste.
Nothing.
We're going through these really hard times now that we can't let an Oreo go to waste.
All Oreos must survive.
All of them. I love how that looks. Oh my gosh.
It looks so amazing.
Yo, these are so good. So we are finally done.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Now let's do a taste test.
I don't know what I want.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one.
Ooh, I like this one right here.
And I put some powdered sugar.
Ready?
toast.
To the quarantine life.
To the quarantine life, for real. It's so good.
Oh my god.
We are so fat for this, but this is our favorite snack for the quarantine. What is your favorite snack? Let us know in the comments. Stay hungry, guys. Stay safe. Stay in your house. Make some fried Oreos. Don't go out if you don't have to. And with these hard times, a snack like this would definitely sweeten up your life.
Yes,
and your whatever you're going through. We're all gonna get out of this. We're all in this together. See you guys. Bye. Stay hungry.